Ever wondered how the tires on your car are made? It's a fascinating process involving multiple layers of materials, precise engineering, and careful quality control. We're talking about a piece of engineering that has to withstand incredible forces, heat, and friction, all while keeping you safely glued to the road. Let's dive into the journey of tire manufacturing, from the raw ingredients to the final product. Tires might look simple, but they're actually made from a complex cocktail of natural and synthetic materials. We start with natural rubber, tapped from trees, which gives tires their flexibility. But that's just the beginning. To that, we add synthetic rubber for durability, carbon black and silica for strength and traction, steel wires for reinforcement, and textile fibers for structure and flexibility. It's a recipe honed over decades to create the perfect balance of grip, durability, and performance. Imagine giant industrial-sized kitchen mixers churning a black, gooey concoction. That's the mixing and compounding stage. Banbury mixers blend raw materials with heat and pressure. Different parts of the tire need different properties. The tread needs to be tough and grippy, the sidewalls flexible and cut-resistant, and the inner liner airtight. This stage is about getting formulations just right. Think of a tire like a high-performance onion, with each layer serving a specific purpose. First, you have the bead wires, which are like the foundation, holding the tire securely on the rim. Then come the fabric plies and steel belts, adding strength and stability. On top of that goes the inner liner, a thin layer of rubber that keeps the air from escaping. Finally, we have the sidewalls and tread, the parts of the tire you see and interact with on the road. From components to green tire, the assembly line. This is where things start to look like an actual tire. Components are assembled in a specific order using a specialized machine. The inner liner goes on first, followed by fabric plies, steel belts, bead wires, sidewalls, and tread. The raw, uncured tire, called a green tire, is formed. The vulcanization transforming rubber with heat. Imagine taking a soft, pliable piece of dough and baking it until it becomes a crusty loaf of bread. That's what vulcanization is like for tires. The green tire is placed into a mold and subjected to intense heat, reaching up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This heat, combined with sulfur, triggers a chemical reaction that transforms the rubber, making it strong, elastic, and durable. It's also when the tread pattern and sidewall markings are imprinted onto the tire. No lemon tires here. The rigorous world of quality control. You wouldn't believe the rigorous testing these tires go through before they're deemed roadworthy. We're talking X-ray scanning to check for internal defects, balance and uniformity testing to eliminate vibrations, and even pressure testing to simulate extreme driving conditions. Every single tire is scrutinized to ensure it meets the highest standards of quality and safety. Any tire that doesn't make the cut is rejected and either repaired or recycled. From factory to freeway, getting tires on the road. Once a tire passes all those grueling tests, it's ready for its close-up. Labeled with size, load, and speed ratings, it's shipped to its final destination. Warehouses, dealerships, and car manufacturers worldwide. From sapling to road-ready, the journey is complete. The underappreciated marvel. Respect the rubber. And that's how tires are made. From raw materials to the final product, it's a fascinating process. Next time you drive, think of the journey your tires have been through, from rubber tree sap to vulcanized wonders gripping the asphalt. The science, engineering, and ingenuity behind it are incredible. Remember, those 4 pieces of rubber connect your car to the road. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into manufacturing.